We're going to take the derivative of y equals square root of 2x plus 1 over x squared plus pi. And do notice that the x is under the radical. So if it weren't under the radical, this would just be rad 2 times x. This derivative would just be rad 2. But it's going to be a little different because of this. So one way of thinking about this is 2x, the quantity to the 1/2. So we can actually handle that derivative with the chain rule. This will be a power rule, so let's write it as a power function, which is x to the minus 2. And then finally plus pi, which don't forget is just a derivative. So when we go to find y prime. All right, let's start with this first one. As a chain rule, you have 1/2 times the quantity 2x, decrease the power by 1, times the derivative of the inside. So the derivative of 2x is 2. And essentially, those will cancel each other out. Now, the derivative of x to the minus 2, again, now this is a power rule. So we bring the negative 2 out front. Now, plus a negative 2, I just kind of skipped that step or did them at the same time. To the minus 3. And the derivative of pi is 0 because pi by itself is just a constant. And so its derivative is 0. So here we have a negative 1/2 for the exponent. The negative we can take care of by putting that 2x in the denominator. And now it becomes 2x to the positive 1/2. And a 1 on top. Minus 2 over, put that in the denominator, over x cubed. So we can get a little bit more simplified by putting the radical back in, which is 1 over square root of 2x minus 2x, or minus 2 over x cubed, excuse me.